Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about the term schizophrenia is coined by Eugene Bleuler. Eugene Bleuler has coined the term schizophrenia. Eugene Bleuler has even given 4 A's of schizophrenia, which include autism, affect disturbances, association, affect disturbances, one autism, second ambivalency, yes, one at autism, second ambivalency, then third affect disturbances, and fourth association disturbances are seen. So these 4 A's of schizophrenia is given by Eugene Bleuler. Thank you, and thank you for watching.